Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's vlog, we are going to do auscultation of the heart. Actually, point of projection of the valve and the point of auscultation is different in the position. First of all, we discuss the point of projection of the valve. Guys, this patient is not so fair, so marked on his chest is not so visible. So I am taking different picture to show you all the marks of that point of projection and the point of auscultation. See guys, point of projection. First one is mitral valve. Mitral valve is bicuspid valve, and that mitral valve is located in the zone of the left margin of the sternum at the level of the third rib, right? And second one is aortic valve, and it is located in the center between the point of connection of the third rib and that of a sternum. And third one is pulmonary valve, located in the third intercostal space near the sternal line, right? And tricuspid valve is located in the middle or the center of the line between the connection of third rib of the left side and the fifth rib of the right costosternal articulation. We are doing auscultation. This at this point, auscultation point of mitral valve is present, and auscultation of the mitral valve and the apex beat is at the same point, right? And this mitral valve is located in the fifth intercostal space, and it is 1.5 to 2 centimeter inside the left mid clavicular line, and it is aortic point, and it is located in the second intercostal space in the right side of a sternum. And this one is pulmonary valve. Pulmonary valve, I mean point of projection of pulmonary valve and the auscultation point of pulmonary valve is at the same place. And this auscultation point of PV is located in the second intercostal space of the left side of the sternum. And this tricuspid valve, fourth point is tricuspid valve. It is located at the base of the xiphoid process, or something, I mean few centimeter or a few mm right to it. Fifth point of auscultation is an additional point, and it is aortic valve, and it is present in the central part of the aorta. It is located in the left margin of a sternum at the third and fourth intercostal spaces.
Okay guys, now we will meet in the next vlog. Bye bye, tata, see you guys.